Ganda ng kuha. Ganda, panalo yan, panalo. Magtatap yung kalaban ni Rafi. Kamount siya.
4! Okay na ba yun?
Layo pa siya.
He needs to count down. I'm counting down.
Sabihin mo yung pangalan niya para alam niya na ikaw. Panalo siya, may points na siya. Tignan mo yung scoreboard. Oh. Sinutok niya, panalo yan.
Hindi siya matanggap na.
May score ulit siya, 4. Go, Rap! Try niya ito.
Ano dito?
Ah, sa taas.
Attention, attention, Mark Russell, you have been disqualified.
Baka hindi nag-show up. Sabihin mo. Umungot ka.
Rasu!
Don't stand over him. Put that leg down. Keep on. Keep on.
Wala, 1 minute and a half na lang.
140 ka sa akin.
All the way down.
Ano nag-start sa ako eh.
You're almost back.
Sigaw ka na kapag gano'n.
1 minute?
Pag less than.
Take it back. Hook.
Kapag 1 minute.
Right away. Come on. Come on.
Kailangan ubusin niya na yung oras. May point siya eh. Ilan na lang?
120.
Tumigil yun eh.
Tumigil ba yun?
Nakakalam ko.
Chris, game's up, right? He's up 6.
Tinigil yun. Tinigil mo.
Back in business, back in business. That's what I'm talking about.
Hook, Jay. Hook. Let's hook. Let's hook. Let's hook. Let's hook. Back to hook.
Go na. 1 minute, Raf!
Again. Let's hook. Let's hook first. Let's hook first. Stay. Take him down.
Busin mo yung oras! Busin mo yung oras! Hindi nila naman naintindihan yung sinisigaw ko eh.
45 seconds!
Grab his leg.
Grab his leg with your left hand.
45!
Get your other hook in.
Laro!
Spread him out.
Konti na lang!
Now attack the net, Jay.
30 seconds
Get
na
your
lang!
other hook in, man.
Lapit na!
20 na lang!